Dum 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 dum. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dum 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 dum. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dum 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 dum. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dum dum dum.
Let's crochet the fish head. Start with 6 single crochet into a magic ring. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch of every round if you need a reminder. Join with a slip stitch and chain 1 for every round. Round 2. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then an increase in the next. Repeat this 3 times. You will have 9 stitches. To finish round 2, make 1 slip stitch into the very first stitch, then chain 1. Round 3. Work 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, followed by an increase. Repeat 3 times to get 12 stitches. Round 4. Crochet 3 single crochet, then make 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 3 times. Now we have 15 stitches. For rounds 5 and 6, just make 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around. 15 stitches for each round. Round 7. First, make 1 invisible decrease. Next, crochet 6 single crochet. Then make another invisible decrease. Finally, finish the round with 5 single crochet. Use your yarn needle to finish the round. Insert the needle under both loops of the first stitch. Then, thread it back down through the back loop only of the last stitch. To crochet the fishbone, start by making 15 chains. Now turn back and start from the second chain from your hook. Work 5 slip stitches. Next, chain 4, turn and work 3 slip stitches back down. Continue on the main chain with 2 slip stitches. Then, chain 5, turn your work, and make 4 slip stitches. Work another 2 slip stitches on the main chain. Chain 4, turn, and make 3 slip stitches. Work 4 slip stitches. Now work 1 slip stitch to the opposite side to turn around. Crochet 3 more slip stitches, then chain 4, turn, and work 3 slip stitches back down. Continue with 2 slip stitches on the main chain. Next, chain 5, turn, and make 4 slip stitches. Work another 2 slip stitches, chain 4, turn, and make 3 slip stitches. Finally, crochet 5 slip stitches to finish the fishbone. Using the same yarn color as the fish head, attach it to the middle stitch. First chain 3, then into that exact same stitch. Work 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and finish with 1 slip stitch. Into that exact same stitch, continue working. 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 treble crochet. Then, chain 3 and make a slip stitch to finish. Now, use your needle to weave and hide all the remaining yarn tails inside the piece. Now, use a strand of black yarn to embroider the eyes onto the fish. Repeat for the other side. Finally, use some glue to attach the fishbone securely to the fish head. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials.